Hey signers! If you are just starting to learn ASL, then this video is for you. You will learn 30 basic ASL signs for beginners so you can start having a conversation. Throughout this video, I'm going to give you tips and practical phrases to actually use these signs. Now let's learn how to sign basic ASL signs. Tip number 1. The 5 parameters of sign. The 5 parameters of sign are hand shape, palm orientation, location, movement, and non-manual signals. So what does this look like? Well, let's take the sign, don't understand. The hand shape itself is a fist flicking out to a 1. Then our palm orientation is facing in. The location is next to our head, and then it's a flick of the finger for the movement. And for a non-manual signal, our head goes back and forth. That is the 5 parameters of sign. All right, now to signs for introduction and basic communication. Hello. Hello. Your dominant hand is coming out from your forehead. Hello. Bye or bye. Fingers up and down or waving. Bye. Bye. Nice to meet you. You're signing nice, and then your people are standing up, coming together to meet, and then pointing back to you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you. Your dominant hand is coming out from your chin. Thank you. 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 You're using your index finger and pointing to you. You. Me or I. Use your index finger and point it toward yourself. Me or I. My. My. You have a flat hand that goes right on your chest. My. Your. Your. Your flat hand is pushing towards somebody. Your. Name. Name. Both hands are the shape of U's, tapping right on top of each other. Name. Hearing. Hearing. This is referencing that hearing people talk a lot. Hearing. Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. It's H for hard of hearing. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Hello, my name is Sarah. Hello, me, name, Sarah. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. Nice meet you. Goodbye. I'm hard of hearing. Me, hard of hearing me. Tip number 2, getting attention. When you're getting the attention of a person who is deaf or hard of hearing, you need to think of 2 different ways, visually or by touch. The first way is to wave. You can wave at them and that it's getting their attention, not in front of their face, just waving to gain their attention. Also, tapping on the table or tapping on their shoulder. These are the cultural norms of gaining attention within the deaf community. Now to questions and responses. Yes. Yes. Your hand is representing your head nodding. Yes. No. No. It's like the letter N and O put together. No. What? What? Your 5 hands are kind of bent in together, moving in and out. What? Where? Where? Your index finger is searching like a compass. Where's north? Where? Who or who? I like to think of an owl going, who, 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 or who. how, or how. You're doing the sign how, but make sure that your eyebrows are down because it's a WH question. How. How. Again, or repeat. Your dominant hand is coming into the middle of your hand. Again, or repeat. There are actually two signs for sign. Sign, sign. This one is index fingers moving in towards yourself, and this one is S's moving fast out and in. Sign. Teacher, teacher. Teachers give information, and this is a person. Teacher. Deaf or deaf. It can go either way. It's just pointing to your mouth and your ear. Deaf. Now let's put these signs into sentences. What is your name? Name what you? What is the sign for candy? Sign. Candy what? Who is your teacher? Your teacher who? Tip number 3, maintaining eye contact. When you are in a conversation that's using ASL, it's important to maintain eye contact and not break away to distractions. This is showing that you're giving them your undivided attention. Keep your eyes looking at their face, but also the signs themselves. Don't stare at the signs. Look at their face. Now to feedback and understanding. Learn. Learn. You're picking up something and putting it in your head. Learn. Love, or I love you. But when you shake it back and forth, this is showing love, 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 as in a goodbye, love you all, love. Understand. Understand. It's like the light bulb is coming on. Understand. Don't understand. Don't understand. You do the sign understand, but shaking your head back and forth. Don't understand. So-so. So-so. Your hand is flipping back and forth. So-so. Slow. Slow. Your dominant hand is moving slowly up your non-dominant arm. And if you want to show somebody that you want them to sign really slowly, you slow it way down. Slow. Same. Same. This Y hand is showing that something's the same. Same or same here. Same. Please. Please. It's a flat hand making a circle on your chest. Please. Oh, I see. It's like, uh-huh. Oh, I see. Now, let's put these signs into sentences. I don't understand. Please slow down. Me, don't understand. Please, slow. Oh yeah, I get it. Oh, I see. Understand. Goodbye. Love you all. Goodbye. Love, 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 love. Way to go! If you found this video helpful, check out our 99 Signs series, complete with quizzes to test your understanding. If you want to dive deeper into ASL, sign up for our free 10-day ASL Jumpstart with the link in the description. You'll receive a daily email of practical advice to guide you on your ASL journey. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.